Hi, welcome to Hurricanes Part 4, the final new lesson for this summer. I'm going to just show you what the parts of the lesson are and what I expect you to do with them, and let you know that I can't believe the summer is just about over. I hope you had a good one. I did, and anyway, so there's a little bit some personal stuff in this lesson. I'll let you see what everything is. All right. First off, we're going to be doing some reading today. And we're going to start with this. The link you see in the lesson will bring you here. See, we're in BrainPop. The related readings. There are a few of different ones here, as you can see. It'll have you start with this one. All right. Once you need to read them all before you try to answer the questions on the worksheet. So start here, then go to this one. Graph, stats, and numbers. Then come over here to Mother Nature. Read that one. Then come here to theory and read this one. And you can leave this open and come back to this to answer the questions. But you have to think a little bit and put some information from a couple different ones together to answer the questions about this. Okay. Then, after that, we're going to go to this, which is something I wrote up about a hurricane named Agnes. All right, when you are, here, and you're looking here, it mentions Agnes. Okay. I wasn't very big, but I remember this, and it was a big deal. So this is not going to take very long. Mostly it's pictures and a little bit about the pictures. Okay, like this. This is a hydroelectric dam called Kinzua Dam. It's in Pennsylvania, in the northwestern part, near the border with New York State. Okay, and the electricity I used when I was growing up came from this dam. This is the downstream side of the dam where the water's being released. That's why it's all foamy here, and there's a rainbow. All right, and you can see this is the other side of the dam where the reservoir is. Okay, so there's lots of water backed up here. Level of this water is way up here. Here, it's much lower, as you can see. Okay, and this is where the level normally is. This is like an enormous lake that reaches from here behind the dam and goes up, actually crosses the border with New York State. It's a very sizable reservoir. There's a lot of water in there under normal circumstances. Well, Hurricane Agnes wasn't a hurricane by the time it got here. It was just a rainstorm that lasted a week. Solid week of rain, no break. Daytime, nighttime, didn't matter. Okay. So here's what the reservoir normally looks like. Here's another view. And I want you to notice this little yellow rectangle right here. It's a special plaque that was added to the dam a couple years after 1972. I don't know, we should remember exactly when. And here's a close-up picture of that. That's where the water level came up to after Hurricane Agnes. All right. This is the very top of the dam up here. Okay, now notice, see all these horizontal lines going here, 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 here. Okay, kind of giving you an idea. That's how they built the dam, layer upon layer upon layer. You can see them, and you see these railings up here? because you can walk across the top of the dam. Okay. And there's a railing there so you don't fall off or drive off. Okay. And there it is again. So look at how many lines you can see here above the water. Look how many lines are left above the water here. That was a big deal. And people got flooded anyway, but a lot of water got stopped back here behind the dam. I am just always amazed at that symbol of how much water just came falling out of the sky. It's just really something to me. Okay, there's also a link to a song called Wasn't That a Mighty Storm? Listen to the song, answer some questions about it, and you can get some extra credit. It's a really good song. I like it a lot. Okay, and here's where you're going to answer your questions. All right, questions 1, 2, and 3 have to do with the related readings. Okay. The second page, question 4, has to do with more about Hurricane Agnes. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't see it. Or how about Hurricane Agnes? So kind of tell me what you think after you read that. And at the bottom of that page, here's your extra credit question about Wasn't That a Mighty Storm? So answer the questions, turn this in, you're done. Well, like always, let me know if you have any questions and I will help you out. Okay? I hope the hurricane that is coming toward Louisiana and Texas this week doesn't do too much damage. Not too many people are killed or hurt or put out of their homes. All right. Next week is going to be a makeup week. And of course, you can reach out to me all week to help you with any makeup assignments you might have. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.